MLA berim jong Nongkyrshan constituency uba Lambor Malngiang haringkat ki arp khendai ngut ki Nongyalam bat ki Nongkyrshan mentagasngi ka khatlai tarik unai weng arja arpusan kila Pyniasoh Noh Sha ka Seng Npp ha gani gasngi lapriang burom yu uba lam da state president uba Preston Tingsong ha ka jingdon lang national president ukonrat sangma national vice president uba Sniaw Bahalang Dahar state working president uba Hamlet Doling bat kiwi ki MLA ki MDC bat ki Nongyalam ke NPP.
Iba nila juga persiap ini sering balai. Iba yang secara program dari yang platform mana persiap. Iba hilarious portion. Meghalaya persiap. Andai kajing long jajan, bat kajing mampu. Penolong mereka ini likely kimaskan banyak yang banyak yang sinjau. Allah Taala jangan lagi jo kita dan sinjau nama Taala jogi. Kinong yakit diba become I play a president yung Nongkyrshan block. But here's question. I play ya kinong yakit diba manunakan jekitin ng sabang ko. Ya Nongkyrshan block kabangatan ng tao. Tawagin niya tayo dapat yung titpre. And long give us knowledge in Shashor and Scott. There is a full Jina, Ipaipa, pagkakonsusi, Yagado, Yagisne. Kibawan ng ating Lord, bansin na lang lakay kulay pero. Ngapan mga pagiging pasyong si Jerome. Mga kumsyen lala kayo iyo kumatubi. And they will be to the lunch of the I play the Nami Lambayang Kasing about Pipay. Kulay siya mo nabatas bilang barak. Paralog at KHUBOR. Masaw inyo mafilo taong hikumukan nito na siya kung naakarja ka pulay. Bentang niya siya man. Bagong ugalawang try yung pinigil. Taong ito yung bintang-bintang. Balwan rapian. Yang chicken na wala siya kipaipa. Bantan plus yung si Jong kapati yung pipi. Kami bagian dari yang inya bagi. Ngamsim lo mahini batang majade, bantrai hati bapati, batang lapoi kerja bingung inya le yang tinggal ngimwa yang kata. Ngimwa yang tinggal. Ngimwa yang tinggal. Kamu banjot, hapsti. Ngasih itu mentaka PT Amnia lembaga jimpet juga yang konstitusi perkejadian maupun penderang yang ngasih menolong nganki saya haringkat di Nongkyrshan. you for being patient and waiting for me. I also would like to take this opportunity to thank God Almighty, because of whose blessings we are all here today, and because of whose blessings the National Party is growing every day from strength to strength. I take this opportunity to welcome Lambor and all his supporters, all of you who are present here today, and all those who could not come here today, to this most important program where all of you have today joined the National People's Party. On behalf of the National Committee, I take this opportunity to welcome you. Welcome to the National People's Party family. Friends, as mentioned by Balam, we have known each other for a very, very long time. And our friendship is beyond politics. Our friendship is based on our mutual respect for each other. Our friendship is based on the trust we have in each other. Our friendship is based on our mutual desire and common desire to always serve the people of our state. In the past also, we have had many discussions where there were discussions of him joining the party. But we could not take it to the logical conclusion. But today, by God's grace, by His blessings, and by the support of Balam's workers and supporters and leaders, this has been made possible. So I take this opportunity to thank all of you also for having faith in the National People's Party, for joining us in our mission to transform our state and in our objective to serve the people of our constituencies and of the state as a whole.
Meghalaya, Bakilalong Korlok Ejok Nongkong Bagna Hao Arajalai election. The third way Pemerintah Ketenji Diri Donlang Kurang Kaji. Bahkan di sini Donlang Ketenji Kumpai La Place Mesin Kerana Seng Npp People. Ngapit Iau Araja Apulai election Ngapit Lambor Malngiang Lem dari menjong tangan keberadaan berkata-kata orang ubah alam bagi kehidupan dan kesehatan. Hakata kejadian kesehatan ada melang berdoa. Dari perintah dan bangi dia doa. Hakata itu doa. Nah kalian kehidupan, nah kalian ubah alam bor. Gila itu orang kawin. Nah, kami sekarang buat itu. Dengan kita tahu kabangan kuat panjang jadi Nongkyrshan Sha, Ilong Kumi, Ilong Pang, Ilong Sama, kedai join lang mentakasi batu Nongkyrshan Sha di Lambor Malngiang. Tunggu terus tong nanti semua. Nalu asyik yang bersama bahan pemberian yang berkumpul. Nah, pemerintahan memberi konsensi para kawin. Nampak dan itu mentang nilai duit pakai ngomong bahwa biang taktik lagi jadi mereka mengakuah pada orang tanpa mentang ada kita dalam pada pagi hidai mereka mau bahkan ni kalau ye lokser mereka bahaya nadu baru kasih cara dia lokasi dan mau bahaya dengan kata tahu hamil don haji kabahaya ladapang upai ume don sebut kita lusna yang ini aku selalu itu ini kata sama apabila kayi kasih doni nongker dia akan sosialnya akan semua dia sosial dia sosial dia akan bagi orang Yahudi kemau arhaja arhora sahih KHUBOR Nongkyrshan Sha Deputa nampak syuk pada dia bukti ai kerjanya berpura ibak Lambor Malngiang ibalong chief advisor blog jaminan ni ai kerjanya berpura atau kerjaan jauh terus bagi ini ada beberapa blog yang kita mencoba blog NPP Nongkyrshan bagi perniagaan bagi dialah ya hi baru hadu isno kita unit level baru bagilah ia akan belum yang kata kecil ruye proses hati ruye proses bagi kot banwer di pada bagi ayam yang Nongkyrshan bagi banjuan seperti naga bentang kalawai jong constituency jogi Barokobe.
The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. The mission offers a variety of solar systems to meet different needs. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 50-90% subsidy with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application to the district administration or contact your nearest block development officer, BDO.